Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off new music notifications in library on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, open up the music app. Then tap on Listen Now tab at the bottom. Next, tap on the profile icon at the top right hand corner. Then we go down and tap on notifications. In here, tap on new music to switch it on. Once you turn on new music notifications, you can choose whether to show the notifications in the library or not. So tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on show in library on the iPhone 15 series. And after that, you can tap on the back key, then tap on done to get out of that setting page, or you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.